Hey guys, this is my Firework stash update. Yeah, so let me show you. This is a 5-shot Roman candle thunderstick. They're pretty nice. I got these all at Shelton's for about $4. And then I had this coupon for 144 free bottle rockets, so got these. I don't know if this brand's good or not. And then I got a brick firecrackers for $8. That brand's like really nice. And then I got 6 parachutes for $4. So they're really nice. And this is for New Year's Eve. I think I'm going to shoot these off. Yep, so comment, rate, and subscribe.